I just finished working on my jointer. I'm going to spin around now so you can kind of see it there with the fence on. And for all intents and purposes, it's finished and ready to use now. And the good thing about that is that it's finished and it's out of my hair. I can move on to other things because that's been kind of a, I don't know, a boat anchor weighing me down. Anyway, I posted the video yesterday on safety and it not being my responsibility for your safety. And on that video, of course, I got some comments from people saying that I shouldn't pay attention to the trolls when they make safety comments or the safety Nazis. That's just it. I don't think that they think that they're being trolls, and I don't think that they think that they're being safety Nazis. A lot of people that make these comments are fairly new to the, or they seem to be because I've not seen them before, are fairly new to the do-it-yourself or woodworking type videos. They just happen to see it and they, pop in and they make a comment and they think that it's actually a helpful comment. And for the most part, that's all there is to it. There's no malice intended for the most part, I don't think. In most of these comments, they are, well, some people word them in a way that suggests that they're talking to, or they're addressing in their comment, which would be me, who was doing the video, that they're talking to an idiot, or they're talking to someone that's remarkably stupid to be using a tool like that, a very dangerous, potentially lethal tool, this is what they think of it, without a guard. So for the most part, they probably aren't saying it to try to get a rise out of me, which is what some people think. That's not the case. I generally don't answer those comments, by the way. I just either, like if the video is not about any aspect of safety, I delete those comments because my videos, my build videos, for the most part, are not about safety. They're about building the project. That video that I made talking about the grinder kind of opens the door on safety, so I left the comments there. I didn't delete them, but I didn't answer them either. That's the reason why I made that video. That video is to answer that comment in general. It's like a bulk answer, I guess you could say. And then the other type of comment that I get from people when I post a video like I did yesterday is that, why are you getting so upset about this stuff? Why does it get to you? Well, I'm not really. I made that video yesterday basically because, it occurred to me that I could make a video about that. And it occurred to me that if I did, that's more content for my channel. And that's what this channel is, me talking to the camera, sometimes about stuff like that. So if it seems like I'm upset or hot, I might be acting. I've been working on my acting skills, man. So take it as entertainment. Always, everything that I do, take everything that I do as entertainment and you'll be good. My recommendation to the people that, need extra help with their safety as far as tools go, every one of these tools that you buy come with a set of instructions that cover all of the fundamental safety stuff that you should be concerned with before you use the tool. Like eye protection, don't use it outside in the wet when you plug it in and stuff like that. All that stuff is covered in that booklet that you get with the tool. Read that through. If you buy a tool used, secondhand, you can always look this up on the internet. Just look up the model number for the tool, and you're going to find the safety or the instruction manual for that, usually in a PDF. Download that, read it through, and you're golden. You're good to go. And then after you finish reading the book and have a good understanding of the safety things that you should do, all you need to do now is use the tool and start building some experience.